In this tutorial, we'll develop a console application which can add contacts, list them, edit them, list them again, we see it was edited, then we can remove them. Let's add a few more so we can clear them. Let's see, we have two contacts and now we can clear it. Yes. And there is no contacts anymore. So by the end of this tutorial, we'll be able to develop this application. It will be developed in C#. It requires basic knowledge of the language. If you don't have it yet, check out the playlist on this channel, because this video is the part of the playlist. If you have it, then you're completely good. You just need to know variables, functions, loops, and that's basically all. Input, output, and stuff like this. It's not too complicated. We will not use topics like files, we will not use topics like OOP and stuff like this. So if you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. So let's start. Hello everybody, this is Coding Atlas, and today we are writing a project, as I promised in one of the videos before. So what we'll be writing today is a contact list. We'll be able to see the contacts, add contacts, edit contacts, and remove them. Let's start with the main while loop. The idea here, we have a string with command, and then we read the command all the time. If you write exit, you exit the program. If you write something else, you go to the write function and execute it. So let's write to it. What we want to do here is firstly read the command and then compare if the command to lower this method of the string transforms it to all lower characters. So if you write exit with big characters or like exit with big E, it will be the same as exit after this method. So you compare it with small exit, and when you write small exit, this condition is not true anymore, so it just exits the loop. So it will exit the program. But here, we will do the reading part. Let's see how it works so far. You see, we can write multiple commands, but only when you write exit, it actually exits. Let's add some functions. So what we do here, firstly we have the function. We clear the console, this method clears the console. Then we ask for a number, for a phone number. Then we add it to the list, and list we give it as a parameter here. Now pay attention, if this was an integer or a string, by changing it here, it wouldn't change the actual variable, it will create a copy of it and change the copy's value. But because we pass a list is an object and it's stored in a heap, and it works in a way in which even if we pass it like this, it doesn't copy it, it works with the actual object. So by adding a number, we add the number to this variable, which we pass here. After this, we print the count of list, how many elements it has, just to see if it was added. Let's see it. And we see the count is 1. You can write one more time, count as 2, and so on. Here we have a switch statement, cmd to lower, so we process the... So we make this so the command won't be case sensitive. We can write it with big characters, lower characters, and it will be the same, it will work. Then we see case add is the command here. We do all this code, then we finish it. Let's add a few more comments. So what we did here, this is the list contacts function. What it does, firstly it clears the screen, then it writes contacts, and then we have here a variable which uses a counter, and in a for each loop, we go through all the contacts in a list, and we print them out. This is for listing all the contacts. And we use this in the edit contact too, because we want firstly to list them, and then to ask which contact do you want to change. And it will ask for the ID of the contact, not asking for the actual contact, because it can repeat, a contact can repeat 2 times or 3 times. So it will ask for the ID. Then we will do the actual editing. Let's see. So how it works? We ask for an ID, and because here, when we do the ID thing, we start printing it with 1, because we firstly increment it, then we print it. So it works like, let me show you. Then I write list, and you see it starts with 1, but we know that normally in an array it starts with 0. We ask for it, then we use ID minus 1 as the index. So basically, if it's 1, it will get the 0. If it's 2, it will get the 1, and so on. Because it starts with 0 in the system, but we print it with 1 just to make it look better for the user. So we ask for ID, we ask for the new number for it, we put it inside of the list ID minus 1 with readline. Then we say that contact modified successfully, and so we don't switch straight to the main thing. We put a console read key, so it will continue the work of the program only after the user inputs a key. And only then we come back here. Let's see. Okay, but there is a problem, which I saw. Here we'll change write line to write, so it doesn't go to the new space, to the new line, I mean. And let's see how it works. And also I want to do here a console.clear, just to show something. Okay, let's add a contact. Alright, I think here, when we add a contact, we also need to add this, because otherwise the user doesn't understand if it was added or it wasn't. Contact added successfully. Okay, let's restart it. Okay, now let's try to edit it. List it. Oh, okay, list also doesn't work like this. Okay, let's add a console.read key to the list. So after it lists all of them, it asks for a key, and only then it goes to the main menu, to here. Also for this, I think I want to add a function here. Void main menu, let's call it. Also with the list. And here we clear it first, and then I want to list it. So every time we start the program, we list the contacts. Actually, no, let's actually add some comments here. Comments list. Let's do like this. Okay, I think these are all the comments which we'll need. Let's also add this thing here. Actually, no, we won't add this. Let's just copy this. And instead of clear, because we already do it there, we just put it here, pass the list. Actually, we don't need the list here. We can remove this parameter here. Okay, let's try run it and see how it works. Okay, we have command list here. We have a input prompt. Let's write list. Okay, we have no contacts. Good. Actually, I want to add here a thing. Also, I will add here exit. Exits the program. I want to add here a thing. Let's say press a key to return to the menu. Now if I write list, okay, but I don't like this thing. I'll replace it with a dot. Let's see, list. Okay, maybe with 3 dots. Okay, it looks nice. We have a list, we have add, we have an edit. Let's add remove and clear. Let's just copy some code from here, I guess. Yeah, let's copy it from here. And say enter the ID of contact you want to remove. Then let's just make sure the user is sure he wants to remove it. So let's write, are you sure you want to remove it? And see if he answers yes or no. Okay, how does this function work? Firstly, we ask for the ID. We actually read it, parse it. Then we ask, are you sure you want to remove it? Yes or no. We make a variable called answer and we read the line. Then we see if answer to lower equals to yes. Then we actually remove it from the list. And we write contact removed successfully, read key. Otherwise, if it's anything but yes, we say press a key to return to the menu. And let's see if it works. Oh, actually, wait a minute, I didn't add it here. I forgot to add it here as a command. Remove contact, list, break. Now let's see if it works. Why does it say so? Press a key to return to the menu. It's because we added this here to the list contact and we used the list contact here. How do we fix it? I think I know. Let's add a boolean. Return menu, let's say, equals to false normally. But if we call it from here, we say true. So this is an optional parameter. Normally it is always false, so it never asks for this. Let's add it here. If return menu, then we print all of this stuff. Actually, with this too. If it returns menu, we print all of this stuff. Otherwise, we don't do it, and it's clean. Let's see if it works. Actually, I need to close this first. Okay, let's add one number. Remove. Okay, good. 1. Are you sure to remove it? Yes. Now let's see the list. We have no contacts. Perfect. Let's exit. Now we have the clear function. Let's add it here. Static void clear contacts. List of string list. Let's just ask if they are sure they want to remove it. Let's clear the terminal. Ask if they are sure, because we don't need to ask anything else basically. And if they are sure, we do list.clear and return this. Otherwise, we just return this. Let's see if it works, but firstly we need to add this as a command over here. Case clear contacts list. Let's add a few numbers firstly. Let's list them. We have 3 numbers. Now let's write clear. You want to remove it. Let's change the thing to you want to remove all the contacts. All the contacts. Let's write yes and see what happens. List. Okay, contacts are clean. And this already changed. I just need to run it one more time to see if it works. But I know it works because we just changed some text. Now as we have all of this, what do we have left to do? List, add, remove, edit, clear. We basically have everything. So this is already like a complete project. You can add numbers, then you can list them, you can edit them, list them once again, add one more number, add some more numbers, list all of them, edit the third one, list it, remove the third one, and so on. Oops, here because I didn't write yes, it didn't remove it. Yeah, and it works. It works perfectly. So now I exit, and all the data is lost. And that's a huge problem because nothing is basically saved. It works only while the program runs. But we don't know how to work with files yet, so this will be improved in one of the next tutorials. But for now, this is the complete project which we can make with our knowledge. I hope you understood everything. This is the end of the video, so like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to support it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. See you in the next one.